Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Encik Syafiq. Today, me and my group will present about case study 2. The first group, my group member is Muhammad Adam Haikal bin Othman, and the second is Muhammad Syafiq Akmal bin Omar, that is myself, and the third is Muhammad Aiman bin Norazamzury, and the last is Muhammad Alif bin Sabarudin. The introduction is, our team is assigned to propose a solution for a special project fund by Jabatan Pertanian Negeri Pulau Pinang with universal design team application. Our team already do the best application features solution that suitable to be used for durian orchid farmers. A session in Bali Pulau to monitor and manage the orchid especially in durian season 24/7 to avoid tea and perishable fruit. In addition, we provide some features for a foreign worker. Jadi is our login or sign up. Login is the interface to do register employee to sign their account, to access to the application and sign up for a new employee to register the ID. And you can use activity fingerprint, multi-modal interaction touch and function login, and have alternative mode touch in the interface. And it is the app is a principle of user design, simple and intuitive to use. The second is a user report. User report is using to see the statistic for the company about the attendant staff, register new staff, and about condition of durian. So this function is easily read because we are using graph and chart to show the report. And the app, the set is we are using principle of universal design, flexibility in use. Function is a user report. And the chart we are using a multimodal technology test and smell. And have a alternative mode, gesture control, and multimodal technology side. The third is a weather forecast. This function for to see about weather condition. So in our application, we show the weather condition and also the temperature by day and by time. So the worker can know about farm condition. We are using a principle of universal design still is a flexibility in use and a multimodal technology side. Next, I will pass to the Mama Aiman.
Okay, my name is Aiman. Now I will present about the alert system in our app. This function to notice the worker to be alerted if it have a falling durian detected in the area. And this function we put the function sound and location to know where is the location that durian fell down. As you can see here in the accessibility control, there's like there will be more information about the falling fruit, and then there was multi technology about sound to be alerted when the fruit fall. There will like an alert sound be loud, you know. And alternative mode sound in the interface. Next. Next, we have the navigation in the app. The use of navigation in our interface is to make our workers easier to find the fruit that has fallen with the presence of additional features such as the detector where the fruit has fallen from its place that has been upgraded in the farm. The principle of design is equitable use, because there will be a warning here and a location located the durian of the falling fruit, so that it will be easier. And then there's alternative mode of gesture control to move back or move forward in the app. Next. Next is security. This feature security is to alert the surrounding workers at the farm if unauthorized person has entered the farm without the permission. And at these features, we put the security footage and it can view from anywhere. The workers also can know the location from the footage and we also provide the button report to the worker if any issues appears. Um, so such as in the interface, there's look of the principal universal design, this tolerance for error, as like in the warning system, and then we can also access facial scan from this camera, as you can see here. And then there's also voice print to report to a currently online high rank in the company. Next. How the principle of universal design apply in the interface. The We have used the equitable to use, flexibility in use. It is simple and intuitive. The interface is perceptible with information. It also has a tolerance for error. The size and space for approach and use. Next, I will pass it to my fellow friend Alif Najmi.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Alif Najmi. I want to continue about habitable to use. The design is useful to people with range of ability and appealing to all. We put the principle in our interface at the navigation function that the worker can get the notification about the falling durian and make it easy by see the location. Next is flexibility and use. The design allows for range of ability and preference through choice of method of use and adaptively to the user taste, precision and custom. So in our interface, we put search button to make the worker to easier search anything that they want to open. Okay, simple and intuitive. Simple and intuitive to use regardless of knowledge, experience, language or level of concentration of the user. We using the principle at our login interface on the language selection so that the worker can change the language according to their convenience. Next is presentable information. Design that provide effective communication of information regardless of the environmental condition or the user abilities. We using this at our menu interface that provide some needed information to user and help them to using our application interface. And next, tolerance for error. Potential hazard should be shielded by warning. So this principle we using at security function. So it is to give the warning if an unauthorized person detect in the area so the worker can always alert. Okay, next is size and spare for approach and use. Allow for variation in hand size. So we use the principle because the worker age is 18 to 45. So the size and space must should be suitable for them to use and friendly user. Next, I want to pass to Muhammad Adam Haikal.
Thank you to Alif Najmi. My name is Muhammad Adam Haikal. I will explain about how the first time user want to use the application solution based on the interface. First, for newly arrived foreign worker from Bangladesh, the foreigner employee can change the language on the login page to a language they can comprehend by clicking the language translator symbol. Second, the first the first time a foreigner worker log into our application, they are required to create new account to create an account. Then they can click the help symbol to access the instruction if they have any question. Next, for the second is to use hearing disability user. User with hearing impairment must first create an account. They can then set the biometric fingerprint to make it simple for them to log in again. They will not need to be concerned if there is an intruder because the application will notify them. For ad security, they can also see the security footage. Next. For the normal person, for the normal person, because our application has easy to understand instruction, a regular individual may register for it with a little difficulty. They can easily log in manually, and if they want to utilize the application more quickly, they can also use the voice icon. If there is an intruder, they can tell by the sound of the siren. Next. So next, I will talk about the segregation under the potential user of this application with explanation. First, about the security guard. The security guard can be alert at security function to prevent unauthorized people from trespassing into our farm and can see the CCTV footage that we provide of our function. Second is a manager. Manager can easily see the user report and know what happened as doing at the farm by user report interface. And third is the customer service. Customer service should using this application because they are part of contact us. To them can help the user if anything problem happen or give the information about during session. And number four is HR department. HR department can know the information report and attendance working about our staff based on report function and can make the report to send it to manager. And the lastly is a maintenance person. The maintenance person can know if any CCTV problem if the footage CCTV has corrupt by their location by using navigation function so it can help them to repair at the location. So the conclusion of our case study is based on the task that has been given, we have produced an interface design that can help farmers in terms of various features that help them in doing their work. In addition, our interface provides a security function that is able to protect the security of the farm from intruders. We have done this interface design based on principle of universal design, multimodal interaction, type of interaction design for alternative mode, and accessibility features available. That's all from us. Thank you.